Hello students, welcome to yet another interesting class. Last time we looked at proportion, and we said proportion is a relationship between two or more quantities, and we also saw the two types of proportion. But today we are looking at the topic simplification of algebra. Simplification of algebra. I encourage you to pay serious attention as we explain. First and foremost, let us see the meaning of algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with numbers and letters. The plural of algebra is Algebrae. As you can see there, Algebrae. That is the plural of algebra. Algebrae. As you can see in circle. Okay. Now let's go straight to example 1. Simplify the following. 1. 14x plus 5y, all in bracket, minus 7x minus 6y, all in bracket. 2. 3a minus, in bracket, 5b minus 2c, close bracket, plus 4d. 3 minus 3, in bracket, 4p minus 5q, close bracket, minus 3, open bracket, 2p plus q, bracket, close. So we are going to take the questions one after the other. Solutions. Let's take the first question. 14x plus 5y, all in bracket, minus 7x minus 6y, bracket closed. First thing you do is to open bracket, because in every expression, when there's a bracket, the first thing you do is to open bracket. So when you open the bracket, we have 14x plus 5y minus 7x. The minus outside the bracket there multiplies the minus inside the bracket to give you plus 6y. The next step is to collect like terms. That is 14x minus 7x plus 5y plus 6y, and that gives you 7x plus 11y as our final answer. Now let's answer question 2. You can see there 3a minus, in bracket, 5b minus 2c, close bracket, plus 4d. As usual, we are going to open the bracket. And when you do this, you're going to have 3a minus 5b. Now you can see that the 3a is not multiplying the 5b because there's a minus sign between the 3a and the 5b. So you open the bracket using the minus between them. So you have 3a minus 5b minus times minus inside the bracket gives you plus 2c, then the 4 outside the bracket, the sign doesn't change, plus 4d. Now look at it carefully, you discover that they are all in different letters, so this cannot be simplified further. It's our final answer. Question 3. Minus 3, open bracket, 4p minus 5q, bracket closed, minus 3, open bracket, 2p plus q, bracket closed. As usual, we are going to open our brackets. That is, all the term outside the bracket multiplies all the terms inside the bracket. So let's go. Minus 3 times 4p gives you minus 12p. The minus 3 times minus 5q, the minus 5 there, gives you plus 15q, because minus times minus is plus. Then minus 3 times 2p is minus 6p. Then minus 3 times plus q. Minus 10 plus is minus 3q. The next step is to collect like terms. So we have minus 12p minus 6p. We are bringing together the terms, the like terms, plus 15q minus 3q. And that gives us minus 18p plus 12q as our answer, or 12q minus 18p. Let's take example 2. Example 2. Expand the following and find the coefficients of x and pq. Here we have 2x minus 3 all in brackets, then 3s plus 5 all in brackets, b, p plus 4q all in brackets, and 5p minus 2q all in brackets. Solution. Now before we continue, let's see what a coefficient is. A coefficient is a number multiplying a letter, or a number in front of a letter. A number in front of a letter. So for example, having this, for example, 2x, the 2 there is the coefficient because it is in front of the letter x. Thank you. Now let's solve the question. A, 2x minus 3 all in brackets and 3x plus 5 all in brackets. Now using the terms in the second bracket, go out to brackets here. Using the terms in the second bracket to multiply the terms in the first bracket. I'm using the term in the second bracket now. We have, as arranged, as you can see, 3x, open bracket, 2x minus 3, bracket closed, plus 5, open bracket, 2x minus 3. So I've just used the terms in the second bracket to expand the terms in the second bracket. To expand, because that's what we do, to expand. Expand, take note, we're expanding. That is what we are doing, to expand the terms in the second bracket. So the next step is to open brackets. So the 3x times 2x gives us 6x squared. 3x times the 3 there gives us minus 9x, plus 5 times 2x gives us 10x. Okay. Then we have plus 5 times 2x, and that gives us plus 10x. Then the plus 5 times the minus 3 there gives us minus 15x. And the next thing you do is to simplify the middle, minus 9s plus 10s. And it's the same thing as 10s minus 9s. And when you do that, you have plus s, or plus 1s as the case may be. Therefore, our answer becomes 6s squared plus x minus 15. Then the coefficient of x is plus 1 because what is in front of the x there is plus 1. That is the coefficient of x there.